This model kit review is of the F-11 Tiger, and it's the Blue Angels version, and it's a 1/48 scale model by Lindberg. Here's a picture of the finished model, and it's all the same picture here. Shows you a little bit of detail here about the model, the plane, and let's have a look inside. First of all, here's our canopy. It's reasonably molded. And let's look at the rest of these parts. So this first sprue here, you actually have some engine parts with some engine details, which is interesting. You don't usually see this level of detail on Lindberg models. Here are the wheels with not really much detail there at all. We have some ailerons and flaps, and engine part. Here's our pilot figure with some detail, some mold lines, and landing gear. Let's have a look here at the inside of our cockpit. There's nothing there. Here are the details, which actually has surprising. We have some wheel well detail here, and all raised panel and rivet lines. Here's our ejection seat with some detail there. And let me look at this other one here. We have, here's the other side, here are the other wings, and our elevator stabilizer. The molding quality is not amazing. Most of it's okay. Here are our decals. They're pretty good quality, but not very many of them and not much detail on them. So let's start off with the cockpit. Not much detail there except for the ejection seat. Here's the engine. There's a fair amount of detail there. And then that goes inside the fuselage. Fuselage is then put together along with the elevator and stabilizer. Our tail goes on, and you can see the engine covers. Then the wings are glued together, air intakes and canopy, and then the landing gear, including weapons, if you're going to use them. Here's the painting and decal guide, and there are the colors needed. So typical Lindberg kits. Surprising, we have this detail on the engine and the wheel well. There's nothing really on the main, the nose gear, but these surprising level of detail. It should be an easy build.